Maginaw. Maginaw. We'll just call Joe to come home. I'm coming out of the car. Tell him. Tell him. 64 pa lang.
Yeah.
I'm outside. Huh?
Running.
It's okay.
Maybe I'm not looking good.
Okay. I went to the doctor, right?
Drug addict, are you?
Just take 4 tablets every hours when needed for pain. 4.
What kind is it?
Huh?
What is it?
Painkiller.
May pangalan din, di ba?
Painkiller for arthritis. Not for painkiller for, you know, headache, that. Only for arthritis. Yeah.
Sometimes upstairs, he said,
So where you wanna go? What you wanna do? Mall like that or what? No, what you wanna do? It's only Wednesday.
what did you call that? Maybe he wants to go.
No, Wednesday?
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Find
There's
out.
nothing-
Call
Call what? There's nothing there. Call who?
Ted done back? For sure.
Don's working.
Huh?
Don is working right now.
Yeah, but then they're back, right? They split up before, right?
They're back together. Yeah. It's good.
Okay, what I'm gonna do? Have you eaten lunch? No.
I can watch you. I like maybe go grab a coffee. Why don't you call him and say, what are you doing, Ted? That's all, I don't know.
Shit, we don't.
He's
Come, what are you
upstairs,
doing? We're going
he's
for
up-
coffee.
he's upstairs picking his nose, so I don't know.
Yeah, call me, going for. I don't have his number.
Okay, never mind then, we just go.
Let me see. Contact. Ted, ABCD.
She's running really good. What do you have it
Yeah.
on?
Huh?
What do you have it on?
Yeah, thing.
Are we on video thing? Or you?
Yeah, well, just don't say bad things, you know. And just
Oh man, really? Shut it off. I'm not.
In the video, okay. Don't. You know, them back home. They
Well,
no, listen. Our relatives back home, they like to see it. They're nothing. They're not asking anything. They just
Okay.
want to see us, you know.
Can you do some other day? Because I told you I'm not in a good mood. Right? I'm not in a good mood. Seriously. Get it? He's back.
Just say hello. It's a better
Some
thing.
of the time, yeah, please. Like I said, I'm not in a good mood. And then,
So-
some